Alright guys, my people, how na day this morning? We don't come again. This is about very dark man and Mr. Jollof. And I know say yesterday, in fact, for the past 48 hours, a lot happened. What happened in Edo State, about Obaze and one double chief, that happens. Less than 12 hours after that happens, then very dark man and Mr. Jollof, they encounter themselves inside the flight. But this particular video is about very dark man and Mr. Jollof. Yes, both of them don't come out now can talk what happened, how it happens, and they tendered their apologies, but in a style that you might not accept. Then other Nigerians reacted to this whole thing. Where you are gonna be watching the combined videos together. How Nigerians reacted, who supported very dark man, who supported Mr. Jollof, or who disagreed with both of them at the same time. But I don't know about you. You might support one or support two or disagree with the animalistic behaviors of these two fighting or anybody fighting in public. This is Nigeria Watch Media. I would like us to take these videos together. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that's affecting you and I.
All right, so good morning, everybody. Good morning, Nigerians. First of all, I would really like to apologize for what happened yesterday on the United Nigerian airline. What happened yesterday was not supposed to happen, and I will take full responsibility for it. A lot of people on that flight had important things to do, but because of that little irresponsibility from my end, their flight was delayed. Some people on that flight might have medical emergencies. Some people had like business contract to sign. I don't know what that little delay would have cost them, and I really want to apologize. I really want to apologize for everything. I am sorry. Doctor. Take it off. Okay. Oh boy. All right, so I'm pretty sure that made you laugh. You understand? But I really want to apologize. I just wanted it to be a little bit funny, but at the end of the day, it's actually not really funny. What happened yesterday was avoidable. I was not even supposed to do that, I am really, really, really sorry. I really want to apologize to the passengers of United Nigerian Airline yesterday. It was totally irresponsible from my end. And I will not say it is not in my character to fight. You understand? I would just like to apologize, especially to one mama that was on the plane, and she kept on saying, "Very dark man, go and sit down." Looking back at what happened yesterday, I really, really didn't like that part. And I saw the faces of a lot of people. Even though some people saw everything as cruise and it was all vibe on social media, I acted really, really irresponsible. I acted really, really irresponsible, and I am very, very, very sorry. I apologize to the people that maybe look up to me, and I apologize to everyone that might be disappointed in me for what happened yesterday. I am really, really, really sorry. Now, I cannot guarantee that it will not happen again. I can only guarantee that it will not happen on the plane, on the bus, or in a public place that will stop people from going to their destination of business or destination of interest, you know. But I cannot guarantee anybody that it will not happen again. But I'm really, really sorry for yesterday, and I will make sure it will not happen in a public place again. Thank you very much. Peace and love. Don't play. No, I played. I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry. The bandage was to make you laugh, so that no, just say this guy don't, you know, I actually don't fuck up, you know. I'm really, really sorry. I apologize to all the mothers, to all the daddies on the plane, to all the uncles, all the younger ones that were on the plane, you know, all the people that, you know, people that were not expecting that, you know, and to the pilot, you know, to the flight attendant, all of you, I am really, really, really sorry. I'm really, really sorry. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Peace.
I want to use this medium to sincerely apologize to NCAA, United Nigeria Airline, the passengers that boarded on 8:45 a.m. United Nigeria Airline on the 17th of November 2025. You know, I was only defending myself. You know, you guys saw what happened. So I'm very sorry if I delayed your appointment. I'm very, very sorry. Pardon me. This is not my kind of person. It will never happen again. And to my lovely wife, I know you are proud of me, baby. I know you are proud of me. You know, 3,000 milligrams was sent and it was delivered. Not be by Mozu. And to my kids, I'm sorry. Daddy will never do this again. And to my boss, I'm very sorry. This is not my kind of person. I only defended myself. So now I want to clarify the air now. So on the 17th day of November 2025, I boarded United Nigeria Airline to fly to Lagos for the MSME National Conference, where I'm a facilitator. You know, I dey go teach people how to monetize their voice. You know, I dey go give my own knowledge. And I take the 8:45 a.m. flight. Unfortunately, we started boarding by 9 a.m. And on my way boarding, I saw Funny Bone. You know, we exchanged pleasantries. And he said, very dark man, even there inside self and all of that. But I just ignored him, you know, because he laid a false allegation against my wife, which till date, he still cannot prove in court. The matter is still in court. My wife took him to court, and he still cannot prove it, you know. So I was already on my seat, 7B. And I think he was the last person boarding. And he was looking at me, eyeball to eyeball. I ignore. Same way I don't ignore him since my wife can't go court. I dey ignore her for this social media, I know the answer. So, today, which is that 17th, he come see me for the plane. He dey look me and they look am. So the juju or the wish when he shop first fail. He call look grand. He call waka enter his seat. I think he dey 4F. While dey 7B. He did the right side, I did the left side. Now he say, that slap where you say you want slap me, so you forgot slap me today, oh, may God punish your papa. I can't keep my cool. I don't make pim. I quiet. Because now maybe they always they talk, say if person use word against you, control your cool. Now me they always they preach your peace all the time. If you get problem with person, not dey violent, go through court or report the matter to police. Now so I always be. Everybody know Mr. Jollof for that. As he talk the word finish, now I sit down. You know, some passengers, Kadela, Lirian. You know, say person where God won't punish, he go first make am deaf. Now I call rice like bread with the soak water. Now I say, if we come down for this place, I go slap you, make God punish your papa. I go see which kind of temptation be this for inside my mind. Now I say, I fit come up for you and I go slap you. Now I say, behave yourself. You know say we will be brave, we know they talk plenty. I don't talk as say, and you know say I tell them if you now look back by videos there. I tell them say the day where you go get mind shop winch, you wanna go check. I tell them say you won't slap me your love, to God be the glory. And today God took the praise. Because when he come up from his seat 4F, come meet me for 7B. Now I defend myself. You know, say if you like gym, God bless this right hand. Now 1,000 milligram. Now it deserve. As the first one meter gym, every affair blow. As you want move again, now I call gym. You know, say this business of defending yourself now brain work. I don't look his size. Say you get the way you call. Now I bend my face, now I rush am. In where would they free space? Me now they confine space. Now poko. This very dark man is so now poko. As he body na water, I come water. As I rush am, go the other share. It don't pin me. Now fair, you know say I still this eye. I promise and say I go slap your eye. I feel punch here first to defend myself. I can't shook my finger for a year. Because it don't restrict my airflow. I was dying. I needed to pull out. As I shook my finger for this eye, you know they move and now I bite some. As I shop on the better as he release the hand come out. As I you know say now bolo now. Now I send another 1,000 again. So now 3,000 day here. 1,000 day here. You know why? Now discipline. Small pikin will not get respect for elders. If your mama not trainer for us, we for our side, we senior and we go help your mama trainer. And I did that today. It came on social media to destroy my wife's personality. A woman that I honor so much. Me and my wife never get anything about she are being promiscuous. You come on social media and say you gave evidence. She carry you go court. You were like a fool. The matter is still in court. You could not prove yourself. Saying a banter. I can't he blew me under the bed. You call shop winch today saying a Jollof you won't go attack. Cause say man they bite. Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson. We won na 75 kg. He use what he God give her. When you carry knife, come gun battle, anything where you see, you take her. Sure, when we reach DPO office, you start to tell say, Jollof na my bro, so because I don't correct you, say you go learn new things, not the hard way. You go learn new things. A promise was made, and today the promise was kept.
So very dark man and Mr. Jollof have been trading his money because they got into an altercation, a fight inside a plane. So the thing is, who actually beats who and how did the fight even start? I'm going to play the videos, right? Well, VDM and Mr. Jollof actually have an underlying like beef, yeah, which is kind of related. So the thing is, Mr. Jollof been talk online and say anytime we see VDM, he go slap him. What?
Suppose they had uncle, you do your hand like this for me. If you say because you get chest, if you say what, don't follow me, don't go slap your eye. You there? I'll slap your eye, If you don't mean you won't follow do all this one.
And VDM also said,
The truth be say, you know, say the best form of defense is attack. You don't already talk on for social media. So if you see me, you go slap me. So if I see you anywhere now, I will have to defend myself by first. Because attack you go rush constantly. So I fear. So anywhere when me and you see now, if you not give me a slap, I go knock you. You understand? And I promise you.
Now the funny thing is, VDM actually didn't make the first move. Mr. Jollof did, like he slapped VDM first before VDM now retaliate. What? Hey, when I see the headbutt there. Like I wonder, like Mr. Jollof, like he knows VDM is way bigger. Funny enough, VDM because they're inside playing. And actually, that Funny Bone comedian, there's a guy beside that is trying to like stop the quarrel. His name is Funny Bone. He's a comedian, right? One of the OGs. He was like old. People didn't know he was holding William's hand. That is right now. You understand that they don't hold them. It was that Funny Bone that was holding it. And William even posted the video. So she will not see. Now, funny enough, Mr. Jollof, after he done chop some beatings, he had to bite VDM on his chest. Mr. Jollof bite VDM like woman. Man to man, you bite man. See now, VDM they even show him. See as it clear. Mr. Jollof, VDM they even talk and see, you're biting me. What? So at the end of the day, now so Mr. Jollof and VDM take fight to inside plane. Like the flight was literally from Asaba to Lagos. So like, what do you guys think? Who do you think actually won that short rumble between Mr. Jollof and VDM?
See fat wa carry over 2.5. Jollof go cutter. Jollof, I say 5 throw and 3 corner. You go give me 1 throw and 1 bet. Sure? We try to the bet nipple. You don't go make video and I get 1.5 nipple. Where worry Jollof? Sure? See game I just take. You don't go cut my bet. Sure? You video, we show you the carry Jollof head, they shoot for your armpit. Jollof head na roll up. Jollof head na roll up. Sure? Even though say Jollof head like there is clay make. They go make it a shoot and armpit. Why they do like that now? Sure? Jollof na volume boy is supposed to play. Jollof say, hey, why you get 100 video show. You quick dodge am. They say that your touch you boy. Why they do like that? Only for your kind of parachute fly corner for the plane. Hey, why sure. Jollof, love is money though. Once do your buka cavity. Sure, Jollof, you don't cut my ticket. Where were you? You want to run away? Stop now. Video, you give Jollof nipple. Because they expect to make the other your armpit, they look your nipple. You press person neck. You want me to do your armpit, they look nipple. I do like that. You want to run away. Now one Jollof carry toothpick. After I don't chop your nipple, your nipple get bone. You want suffocate person, you say me no bite nipple. Why they do like that now? If now you know chop nipple. Jollof when they use breast play. Those Jollof head they all cover like breast. Jollof you test your nipple, very lick because you.
See, guys, you see this life who they see so they very big and a very small world where they live. Now most of us, what to be the way they good for most of us now to come online or they with friends, they talk bad about people or against people, but we can't back it up with our strength. You understand? If you must talk, make sure you can back it up with your strength. It is very important. Don't come and be a lady. After talking many manly talk, you now become a lady when it comes to fighting. This is a general, so this thing for general people. When I want to do cho for a private space, but when I see the person, I know if defend na project when I don't start. So it's important, yeah. I would advise you just stay on guard. Don't do too much. Don't say what you can't defend. Please, it is very important. All right. Don't be a lady.
VDM, you know, try. VDM, this is not fair. This is not right at all. A man of your class, a man of your caliber, opening your mouth to say you beat Jollof. You're even proud that you beat him. It's not fair now. Why will you settle for that? Why will you settle to that kind of level, to that level of violence, bro? It's not right now. You need to practice what you preach, bro. You can't be preaching one thing and be doing another thing. You're even proud to say that you beat an elder. Jollof is an elder. He's not a small man. That guy is senior you well. Jollof should be in his, if not late 30s or 40s. Even, it's not fair, bro. You know do right, man. You are example. You lead by example. Let people are watching you. But Jollof, why you go bite your fellow man? Why you know fight back? You will get mouth. You go get hand. Why you know fight back? You think it's all about sitting at the comfort of your home and be typing and be saying things about people. If you must, sit in the comfort of your home to type nonsense and to tweet nonsense and to comment nonsense and to post nonsense about people, you should be able to defend it. All of you that will be sitting at the comfort of your home, you'll be typing and typing away. Make sure you're able to defend it. Defend it. Now yesterday they was Albert, Manchester. Now they was them. They were on 500 yesterday for Manchester. Today again is Jollof. So if you must type anything on social media, if you must comment anything, if you must post anything, be ready to defend it when the time comes. And sometimes, right, you have to defend this thing with fist. Forget that thing while they talk about VDM. Guys, sometimes you need to go crazy and defend yourself. Sometimes it's not the best approach. Believe me. This is not the best way to deal with situation. We are civil people. We have to be civilized and we have to deal with things like civil people. But sometimes you lot take the peace, man. Sometimes you lot take the milk and the biscuits. And sometimes the only way, even the Bible talk, it's not the best approach. But it is what it is. I'm sorry, Mr. Jollof. I'm really, really sorry. VDM too. I'm sorry for the bites. It's part of the damages, you understand? As long as you people settle it, it's okay. No be other places where boys they use pium or they use knife, they do all those nonsense. It's good. Mona use fist, settle on ourselves. Saying the only way when I want to settle them. I'm not recommending it. I will not encourage anyone to do it, but it is what it is.
People living in the midst of people. They should carry two of them first. Go to get equal hand somewhere. Evaluate their head first. See whether they are mentally okay. Check whether they are mentally, my brain, on a corner. Before you people will think I'm here to talk, I'm here to support Mr. A or Mr. B. Don't punish you. I'm not here to support Mr. A or Mr. B. And when none of them is, first of all, I don't even see two of them as somebody will get brain. This Mr. Jollof, brain, travel, live on. Very dark man, brain, they're very far away. That one, devil don't use them, through them. Then see say if he be instrument of his kingdom. Still bring them back, make it still use them to deceive who you want to deceive. It's not me, the mic. I'm not here to side for anybody. Before anybody go say this one not on camera, you want come chase clad, you want come. I'm not that type of. I'm not in that level. I'm not there for that level. You guys are who now be potty. Cheer Nigeria. The only thing I'm happy about, I'm proud, and maybe because of the brain where I gather from that place, come they use them, they work here, they make money. Maybe that is the reason why even they like on Nigeria. Somebody say, shut up, fool. Baba, you will not go see this fool again. The fool you not go see again. No. What you can type is somebody say cloud chaser. Cloud chaser where you chase the cloud and make money from the cloud. I don't block you. Take those two men to hospital. Bro, those two guys, go on to hospital street and see whether their brain is working. Go make una go to say who is right and who is wrong. Go no wonder you people are mad. If you think I'm doing this live for me to come here to talk Mr. A is right or Mr. B is, you people are insane. Say which be sure the which kind of rubbish country is that? What if that plane don't fly? Say the plane there for air. Understand that nonsense? If you people leave this thing, if that useless whatever government should leave this nonsense to slide like that, people go they carry police. Me myself, I go they carry police. They enter plane because somebody like me, you know, if you blow me, and my physical strength now is not for blow anymore. I don't get power. Make I use them. You know when I blow last, I don't have strength to use and be blowing somebody physically. So plane no they safe again. And those two people go cross counter, pass. They go dissolve the fight. They go waka past police.
So very dark man and Jollof, they fight inside flights. You two live in Abuja. You cannot set a place to fight and say, come and meet me in Gwagwalada and let's fight. You are fighting inside flights. According to the matter, I be like saying a content creator and I go meet Jollof. The answer say they say you defy me. I don't understand. You two live in Abuja. Set a place and fight. Not inside the flight. Anybody where they fight for flight, they don't get regard for human being. They don't. Because they'll disrupt that flight. People when want travel, they know go. They probably don't see their ticket money back. How are you fighting two grown men fighting for flight? You know not the shame. When two of una they live for the same city. Are you people not ashamed of yourself? Fighting inside a flight. People, they use flights, they go walk. People have an emergency. They have where to go. They should ban you. May they ban una. Wanna not fly that flight again. May they ban una. Nonsense. See the person where see her bat. He know where her bats they go. He go meet her. Say they say you defend me. Warrior. Yeah. Two of you, they go events. I will be here, I will be here. Go there. Go and give words Zagalaba. Why are you doing it in a flight and disrupting other people? People have things to do, eh? If you two don't have things to do, people have things to do. Get your battle, come out from that flight. And they should carry two of you and make them come out for that flight. Nonsense. Fighting in a flight. Rubbish. Una they announce what una they do for social media. Say, they go and meet him there and fight. You very dark man. Now you fair go meet and say they find you. You know where Jollof day. You not go find your address where you go meet him for us where you go fight. Are you fighting inside flights? Two grown men. Disgusting behavior. Violent men. Violent. You very dark man don't say you know they beat woman. I cannot believe that. You are very, very violent. God forbid. Fight inside flights. Inside flights. Disgusting behavior. Get out.
Those of una where they ask, no know what they happen now. Una just they ask, no know what they happen. VDM and Mr. Jollof, they fight for plane today. If you ever watch the video, make see what happen.
You won't bite me. Man will be bite.
So now, Mr. Jollof now, he can't bite VDM breast for the plane. Now he can't spit the breast from the plane. Now this time the plane fly past. Now this time the plane fly. Now the breast now will define now so. Now the breast now will define. Now the breast will define so. Eh? Alpha! You see breast for the black breast. Black, yes. Eh? Yeah, Jollof can't spit this breast put. Eh? Now VDM breast now will define since now so. Now the plane fly past. This side the plane fly past. Eh? Which kind of wallop it is, eh? Now breast are define since. VDM breast come for put now. Eh? Oh God. Any breast there the place? Any breast there? Man, I look there when I know the breast for that place now. Eh? They Jollof can't spit this breast put now. Eh? Yeah, VDM breast for come for put. Eh? VDM not gonna get breast again. God, I beg go.
There is nothing to celebrate here. There is nothing to laugh about. We are degenerating into something else. And we are getting worse than the people we criticize. We do not have the moral justification to critique the people in government if this is how we want to prove our engagement for the good, for the greater good of the society. As it stands today, being Monday the 17th of July, right, Mr. Jollof has blocked me on all platforms, and because, of course, in a couple of times I have stood against his public display of insensitivity and his continuous charade of juvenile delinquency. It's too much, so I took it out on him a couple of times with videos or not, so maybe one or two comments, and then he blocked me, and that's fine. So I'm not here trying to lick any ass or encourage, but we are in a mess, as it were. We are in a huge mess, and if this is what our activism has led us to, then there's no reason for us to even talk again about the government.
You know, say once people they talk right, counter will they talk left. How come their seats they so close? Who be that attendant for that front desk? We give them the ticket we close. You want form say you don't know. How come VDM is on seat 7 and Jollof on seat 4? None of us smart if we put them for the same seat. We need to find you. Why you put them so close? Sure? You be that attendant for that front desk that your face I won't face see.
Like everybody else, I just saw the video of Mr. Jollof and VDM, fighting in a public space, not just any public space, inside plane. As plane tight reach, these grown men still find space, they fight. And I asked myself, how did we get here? How? Me and AY get issues for a long time, but it never got to the point where we say me and him will come the exchange punch. Like, how embarrassing is this? Why can't we just live in love and peace? Why can't we look for things that will give us happiness and laughter?
See, a jollof fry just give that man pow.
Yeah.
I swear to God, the guy give.
What did that man can do? Give
I still give that man slap like this. That man gonna be and put up for him.
Are you serious?
This guy started to suck breast.
Who?
Jollof.
Breast, carry this man. No, I don't believe I will go watch this myself.
As he gonna be here. Now for here, bite that man. Bite him for nipple.
You bite him?
Ajay. As he bite him, that man say, Jesus, my nipple, my nipple, my nipple.
I don't believe. I don't believe.
I go lie for you. They record. They record.
Like, this is still shocking to me. It's still shocking. If they tell me, say, a day like this go come. A day like this go come, I don't go ever believe. Of all places, since I played. What a coincidence. Of all places, inside plane. Like, now, Jollof now. Anytime when one book flight, I'm going to first ask question. Please, can I know your passengers? Jollof, consider today your luckiest day. Because see the head. If you didn't want to do you waiting day in mind, I don't know what you think, my boy. Bro, the way you hold it like this. The music for the play for your ear. Disconnect, pop and play. Disconnect, pop and play. Disconnect, pop and play. Disconnect, pop and play. Disconnect for the sound for your ear, Jay. I get it to know that. What a coincidence. You see the shock? Like, can somebody please tell me this is AI? EDM love you die, Aji. EDM love you die. You need to appreciate this man.
This headbutt, he make me shout, Jesus! Another angle just come. That headbutt was so swift, so tactical. You know when you and person they fight, if you say they don't separate to the finish, boom! The person give you headbutt. For where you go pain. You keypad warrior. We go insult first generation, second generation, third generation, and fourth one on social media. Are you tactical? You go fit fight? Are you tactical? Because what they see now, if you insult Tom, Dick and Harry can forgive you, but Tom fit decide say he no go ever forgive you. Tom fit package fight on our words come meet you. You go feel on a don't banter. You know how long ago these two people don't banter for social media? See, person where they petty. And that's what I keep warning people about VDM. Person where they petty, you go package and they wait until today where they see you. The only thing where they pay me is say for be inside the arena. If for not be for airline, they disrupt people when they go for their businesses. But you will be keypad warrior, where be insult. Where we say you can disagree with people. You can disagree. My opinion must not be your opinion. But you go want to impose your own. Insult person join. Insulting generation join. Hey, Tom, Dick and Harry, two fit forgive. The third person if you not forgive, if they wait for you. Now say make I can't tell on that. Because different angles of the videos they come. If you can't they catch me. That headbutt, nice stand out for me. That headbutt, he make me fear, make me shout. They see they make me they shake. Watch and again slowly. Now you go tell understand what they warn you about. So social media disagree, but you see those insults where you dey holler at people. If you no say you no get the strength, begin to reduce them now, or begin delete your comments. Begin delete. If not, Tom fit catch you for bad corner. Do you strong thing? Wisdom.
If you are in support of very dark man fighting Jollof inside flights, I say shame on you. I be DM again. Me myself say very dark man. Shame on you for fighting your fellow man. Very dark man, if not be see finish, you feel see all those people when they insult for government fight them inside flight. If not be see finish, You carry your chest, gidigba. They fight your fellow man inside flight. Put other people's life for risk inside flight. VDM must be banned using flight. They say you when they talk say they bully people, they oppress people. They say you right now. You put them up to yourself. They fight Jollof. Into all, Jollof bite you well and beat you well. Jollof even throw more punch than you. Shame on you. I don't blame you. I blame the Mugus when they support you. You be wicked man. Nigeria, they complain of bad government. You did that place, they fight your individual. What did Jollof do you? You talk against Jollof. The same man talk about you. You throw what give him, he throw what give you. You bully him, he bully you, but you put up to yourself. They go fight the young man. You want to use your chest to your person. You want to use your six-pack to your person. VTM, shame on you. It's a shame to all the people supporting you. May God let them test of what they have prepared. Rubbish. Just imagine. Jollof bad. You know good, you know already. But why will you see your fellow man if I time? Say talk about you. Eh? But you have been insulting people who say they senior you since then. All those pastors you have been insulting. Bessie Papa you have been insulting. Yeah, but you have been insulting. Some of the parents who get children you have been insulting. They don't fight you for once. You'll be wicked person.
Thank you, sir.
I don't enough of a gun. They would not abuse us. They would not abuse us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Why I no go buy time? If you see the blow where this guy dey throw, my God. Bim. Bim, na so he dey throw punch like say be boxer. Nigerians, I beg make una reason this matter well.
Samu kuɗin ka kawai ka kashe. Kar ka bari su kashe maka sanda kake neman